Hey CTG fam, I'm hitting on day 21 right now. This is my Reflect and Radiate conference recap, okay? So during the challenge, I learned that I am a confident woman. I just need to step out of it. I have so many great ideas. I have the energy, I have the confidence, but now it's time to execute. I've been doing a lot of learning, growing, just absorbing good information from challenges like this. But now it's time to execute. That's what I've learned. My top 3 exercises, the walk and talk, I really enjoyed that one. I enjoyed the playlist because it made me start thinking about music. And what was my other favorite? Um, the one I just okay, I'm having a senior moment, but that's okay. The networking one I believe was very good because it made me think about reaching out, making other connections. And I love connecting with other sharp women, especially when they are purpose driven. So that's what I'm enjoying, being around a lot of purpose driven women that have encouraged me and moved me forward, getting these ideas out of my head. Okay. Now I feel more confident to show up on a consistent basis, not just when I think about it or if I feel like everything is okay and everything is together. No more of that. It's just be natural, be raw, just get it going. Okay, save Fridays for the fun fashion things when I really want to pull it together and put different hair on. But I definitely feel more confident about just showing up naturally. And I committed to 4 times a week. Okay. Coach Tressa has helped me. Oh my God, has she helped me just with her energy, seeing her move in purpose, her excellence. She's helped me to create and move myself to another standard of excellence. Helped me with giving me tips on my website, how to move, how to niche down and get specific and come with a plan. So she's absolutely helped me and we're connected and there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, to any woman thinking about joining the CTG family, my suggestion to you is just be like Nike and just do it. You will not be disappointed. Within Coach Tressa's family, her community, the CTG family, oh, you have support. You have exercises that will challenge you and move you to a space and time and just bring out your creative nature. Make you think about what are those things that you really purpose to do. So if you're thinking about it, think no further. Just jump in and join. Coach T, I love you to life. Family, I'll see you guys later. Ciao.